Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm Shamvi. Thank you all so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm so excited. If you guys can already not see my excitement, I don't know, it's just like that adrenaline effect, I guess. Whenever I have new lipsticks, I just get so excited. Like, lipsticks are my weakness, and I have a ton of lipsticks already in my collection, but I just can't, you guys. I just can't, whenever something new has released, I just want to try them all. I'm sure like it is so many of yours weakness as well. So first and foremost, let me tell you that I love Zara as a brand. I have been purchasing clothes and jewelry and bags and everything from Zara from a very long time, and even perfumes. Oh my god, like their perfumes are like so good. Zara came up with lipsticks. Now these are not new launches or something. They have been, they are already in the market, but it was not released here in India. So ever since I saw like Zara lipsticks on Tati's channel, I was so blown away, and I was like, oh my god, I really need it in my life. I received it just like an hour back, which is so crazy. So yeah, that's the reason I was like, yeah, I have to film it today itself. That's how much excited I am. So first and foremost, guys, I ordered all of these lipsticks through Zara's app. They have an app and it's not new or anything. It's been there. I have already like made purchases even before this also from their app. So which is very convenient. It's very easy. But sometimes you might not find the lipsticks. So you might have to go to the search bar and type like Zara lipsticks or Zara lip liners for you to see them. So this is the box that that it came in. All my lipsticks were wrapped in this I don't know what it feels like. It's like a paper, but it's not like a traditional paper. They do have a variety of lipsticks. They have lipsticks, metallic lipsticks. They have liquid lipsticks, lip liners and lip gloss. So I did call for lipsticks, lip liners and liquid lipsticks. So first let's talk about their lipsticks. So the lipstick came in this like tube, kind of a packaging. So normally you get lipsticks in cardboard boxes and you just throw them after a while, but this is like a very nice thing. Really like the packaging. It's something really different, and you have this top that it comes off, and then here. So here you get a lipstick, and again guys, now the packaging itself, it feels so smooth and velvety to the touch, and even it has like a good weight to it, like a high-end lipstick. It just feels really nice, and it's very easy to carry as well. It's written Zara over here. This is something, it's like embossed, and I really like it. It's very simple, very plain, and the packaging is like a navy blue shade. The shade name and everything is written over here. It has that magnetic packaging, which is very nice. Like you can just throw it in your bag and need not worry about your cap coming off and your lipstick going everywhere. So yeah, that is really nice. This is how it looks, and again you have Zara written over here. I don't know if you guys can see. It smells really great though. I don't know what scent it is, but it smells really great. It's kind of has like a fruity scent to it. Coming back to the video, I did buy two lipsticks, two lipstick shade. The first shade I want to swatch is UM03, and this is how it looks. And see that, look at that, you guys. It's just like one swipe pigmentation. One swipe, full pigment. Wow, this is such a, now UM03 is such a pretty, like a peach shade, like a peach brown shade, but it's more towards the peach color. It's a very pretty shade, and for me it kind of washes me off. I think with a good lip liner I can pull this off very well. So yeah, that is UM03 for you guys. So another shade that I got is the shade UM04. Now as you guys can see, look at that, one swipe, full pigmentation. Let me just correct it properly. Okay. Can you see, like one swipe, full pigmentation, such a beautiful shade. It's kind of like the brick shade, like a red brown color. Very pretty. Again, both the shades are very nice, and coming to the formula, they're very creamy. They look matte on your lips. It just feels very lightweight on your lips. Also guys, these lipsticks, after like you have to give it about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, it will just set and it will not transfer. It's completely non-transferable lipsticks, and also you get 3.5 grams of product in each of these lipsticks. Also guys, I did forget to tell you that the lipstick cost you 990 rupees each. I know it is a little bit pricey, but still it is so worth it according to me. In all of the lip liners, liquid lipstick and this one, I would highly suggest you to go with the lipsticks because I really like the lipstick, the formula, packaging, everything. So yeah, definitely check these ones out. So coming to the next ones, you guys, let's talk about lip liners now. Now the lip liner comes in this kind of a box packaging. It's a cardboard packaging. Again, it is that royal blue or that navy blue, and then you have the shade name and everything over here. And once you open it, the lipstick comes out, and I mean the lip liner comes out, and this is how the lip liner looks like. Again, it's very nice and sleek. It's called as a Zara Line It Up lip liners. The lip liner is quite small, so you only get 1 gram of product in here. This is in the shade L02. This is the shade. You have to sharpen it. It is not a retractable pencil. Even I like a retractable pencil. Unless you are a makeup artist and you want to use it on your clients, I think a retractable one would have been really easy to use. But anyways, it's very pretty. I think it just suits everyone from fair to medium to tan skin tones. But if you're dusky, it might wash you off a little bit. And even the formula, as you guys can see, just glides on so easily. Even the pigmentation is again on point. It's like one swipe and you get full pigmentation. So good. The price of this Line It Up lip liner is 490 rupees each. The reason why I'm looking down is because I have this invoice, and the price point is, again, I feel it's a very decent price point. It's not too high, so yeah, I just think it's a decent price point for Zara. I have one more shade which is L09. Again, you get to see the shades and everything right over here. Can you see this is L02 and this is L09. 09 shade is a little bit darker. Again guys, I think the shade L09 is more creamier compared to L02. This is the shade L09 lip liner, and that is how it looks. It's a very beautiful, like a burgundy shade. Again guys, now these lip liners, when you apply at first, it might feel a little bit sticky, but it's not too sticky after a while. And again, this is also transfer proof. It doesn't transfer at all, and it stays for a very long time compared to the lipsticks as well. I mean, these lip liners stay for a very long time. So the last lipstick that I have is the Zara High Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is the outer packaging, as you guys can see. Again, it is a cardboard packaging. Kind of gives off like a dose of colors vibe to me. This is the inner packaging. It again has the same packaging just like the lipstick. Again, the velvet packaging, but I really like this gold embossed over here. Okay, it says Zara High Matte, and this is how it looks. Really pretty. Again, very sleek. Look at that. It just you get the shade name and everything right over here. This is the wand. It's a normal standard wand. So again, I'm just gonna swatch this lipstick right over here. So this is in the shade called as M04, and this is such a beautiful, like a what do you say, like a orangey toned red shade. So in person this looks like a warm terracotta orange shade, but on camera this is looking like a bright orange red, which is so pretty. Okay, coming to the formula, this feels very lightweight on the lips, and it takes 2 to 3 minutes to dry down completely. Okay, you get 4.5 ml of product in here, and this will cost you 790 rupees. Again guys, it is not too high of a cost, it's not too cheap. Again, as you know, Zara as a brand itself is a very kind of like a mid-high range, if you say. But again, coming to the packaging, the formula, everything, I really think it is so worth it. I think I love the lipsticks, and then the lip liners, and then the liquid matte. The reason that I did not buy lip gloss is because their glosses are more on the chunky glitter side, so I don't like such glosses, so I don't use them. So that's the reason I did not buy it. These are all the shades that I got. Again, all the shades are very pretty. So anyways guys, this was my review and swatches and kind of like my first impressions on Zara lipsticks. I think it's still available on their app. I am very satisfied with my purchase and very happy with all the products, and I think Zara as a brand is a very good brand. I hope you all really enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I'll catch you guys again next time with another fun and entertaining video. Until then, you all know the drill. Keep slaying. I love you all so much. Bye guys.